Hi, my name is Keith Grossman. I'm a mediator, attorney, and educator at law, and I'm here to talk to you today about what is mediation. And the first thing that I want to share with you is when mediation becomes available to you. Because some people don't realize that mediation is actually available to you before you file for your divorce in the court. You can voluntarily attend mediation with your spouse in the attempt to resolve everything and not have to go the full litigation process, because if you are successful in a pre-filing mediation process, then you'll be filing your agreement at the time that you initiate your case, and the judge won't have to make these decisions for you. Now, if you are in the litigation process, your case has already been filed, the judge is going to require you to attend mediation at some point before you go to trial. So in Florida, the judges routinely are requiring mediation before you go to trial. So considering going to mediation earlier than later can be a big benefit for you. So now I've talked about the timing of mediation. Let me tell you a little bit more about why you should consider attending mediation and even consider attending it before filing. Mediation is a problem-solving process, and it encourages you to work together cooperatively and to think about solutions. The litigation court process is not a problem-solving process in that way. It may solve things for you, but it's going to be by the judge making decisions and imposing things on you. But in mediation, you have control, you have ownership over these decisions. You're not giving away that ownership to the judge and having the judge make those decisions for you. You know your family best. You know what your goals and concerns are. You know what you would like your future to look like. Having ownership over all of those things is more effective in the mediation process than it is in the litigation process. So in mediation, you're working together cooperatively to protect your family's finances, to protect your children, to set up a framework to protect those things as you move forward after the divorce is finalized. The mediator is a neutral party, a person, a professional who is going to help facilitate this discussion and assist you in reaching a mutually acceptable agreement, an agreement that both of you can feel comfortable with, that you are able to move forward in that way. Mediation is also a non-adversarial process. So we're not finger pointing, we're talking about solutions. We're looking forward. Forward thinking is what we're doing. We're looking to resolve disputes using this non-adversarial process and looking for ways to be able to help you move forward in a successful way using this type of cooperative process. The process is also confidential. So what that means is that everything that we talk about in mediation is just between us. So you don't have to have a fear of talking about things, saying things, proposing things that are going to come back to haunt you later in a hearing or a trial, because the process is confidential. The mediator is not going to come to court and testify that at the mediation one of you had suggested or proposed something, or that one of you had agreed to something. So this process is confidential and prevents those types of things from happening. You're going to be shaping your own agreement, you're going to be deciding your own future, and these are going to be decisions that you're going to make that best suit you, not somebody else imposing it upon you. If you are unsuccessful in having a resolution in one mediation session, you can have more than one mediation session. You're not limited to that. So you can continue to meet in mediation as long as there's progress and things are feeling like they're being effective. Then you can go forward and have more mediation sessions until you reach a final agreement. And I have many mediation clients who I meet with over the course of time, every few weeks, over the course of some months, until we get a final agreement. And so that is something that you can consider also when thinking about the timing and the decision to attend mediation, and the fact that it's not just one opportunity, what I call one and done. You're able to continue to work together for as long as it takes. My name is Keith Grossman. I'm a mediator. I look forward to being able to work with you. If you have other questions, you can reach me at my website, peaceshark.com. And until then, I wish you peace, love, and harmony.